Today's lesson is circles. Often we use either circles, either parts of circles to make some kind of constructions. So we have three main parts of a circle. Like we can have a full circle, which is this picture here. Then we can have half of a circle or semicircle. Then we can have any other angle of a circle, this one here, which may be 120, 60, 30, whatever. That one we called an arc of a circle. Let's go and solve some exercises. The first exercise that we're going to solve for today is drawing this shape. All right, how can we draw this shape? So here we start from the beginning. So we will start from drawing a circle. So let us take a center here. Draw a circle with radius 6. Take any random point on that circle. We took a point which is like horizontally, but nevertheless you can take any point you like. Then draw a circle starting from that point with center to that point that we took randomly, and then just follow these steps. Each time we open our compass 6 centimeters, so we draw an arc with radius 6 centimeters. We start from one side of this circle and we end up on the other intersection. And we just follow the steps what you see here. It's very important that your openings are precise. Otherwise, at the end, the starting point and the ending point of this shape will not meet. That means we made some kind of mistakes, or our compass wasn't always the same opening. All right, this was our first exercise. The second exercise is draw a circle with a given diameter. For example, draw a circle with diameter 6. All right, let's assume the diameter is given, so we have to take 2 points. We need to note here that it's not like you just measure it 3 centimeters. We suppose that just the line itself is given, so 6 centimeters line is given. Then we find the bisector of this line segment, which for us will be the diameter. Now we find two intersections where these two circles intersect, and we have 2 points, 2 red points. Then we draw a vertical line through those 2 points. Now we can erase those arcs, so our figure will be clear. And then we denote the center with O, or you can just denote it as a point. And that's a way how to find the center of this circle. Finding the center, then it's very easy to draw the circle. You just open it like to one of the endpoints of this line segment and draw a circle, as we saw. And the black circle is a circle with diameter 6. Next exercise for today would be constructing these shapes that we see here. So let us start from shape A. Alright, let us start like this. First, let us denote the center here. Let us make it a little bit better, like this. Alright. So then we're going to take our compass and open it a little bit. Make sure that there will be enough space on your page to draw a circle. Then draw a circle like this. Then we need to take a random point from this circle. Let us just take a point here, like All right. Then we need to take and draw another circle. Draw another circle with center on those points and draw it. We will draw it up to this edge here, so till it intersects. Then we're going to take this compass, move it till we reach the intersection here. All right. Then we need to draw a circle right here. So we have one intersection. We need only to find the other intersection. Using the same opening, we can find all 6 intersections. All 6 of those intersections. Now I'm drawing all of them like this. Sorry. Yes, like this. Well, obviously this one would be the same point, so let us just skip it. And if we've done everything precisely, we should meet at the same point here. And then simply we just take this point here and make a circle from here, an arc actually, from here up to here. And the last step would be drawing a circle from here. Make sure that we are pointing correctly up to here. And here you see this is our first shape. You can erase this extra part, but I can't erase here. So let us continue with our second shape. Our second shape, we again will start from the center. Draw a circle. We can draw it like this. So here we have a circle. Then we can just take a random point here, and we need to connect that point. So take a ruler like this, take a ruler and draw a line that passes through that point, which lies on the circle, and it goes across this line segment here. So finally we got the other point, which is diametrically opposite to the first one we got. All right, so I need to do it once more. Like here. All right, now we need to construct the perpendicular line which lies here. So we'll first make this plus. How we're going to do that? Don't just do like this. It's not good. It's not in the construction part, this one. It won't work. So how we're going to do that? Well, take a compass, point it here, and we need to open the compass more than half, so around here and here, so somewhere here. Let us just open it like this, and now we need to lock it, and then we need to draw. All right, open it less because it will go to. All right, so then we need to make a small arc here. Do the same thing on the opposite side. So here, and here we have it. Do the same thing. Do the same thing down. We could have also managed only with one of those intersections, but in any case, let us do it here. So Now we have two intersections, as you see. This one and this one. So this is our perpendicular line. Now we need to find the center of those small semicircles. And how we're going to do that? Well, we need only to find one of those centers and the rest will be pretty much the same. How we're going to do that? Well, it will be totally the same as previously. This is our diameter. We need to open it a little bit more than half of the radius, or between the radius and the diameter somewhere, and lock it. We need to find what is the center. If you want, you can even open it more than the diameter, like this big, doesn't matter. Lock it and draw a circle here. Draw an arc of the circle here. Draw another arc of the circle here. All right, here you have it. Then you do the same on the opposite side. Here you have it. Do the same here. All right, let us bring this one a little bit down. So hopefully this will intersect now. And all right, here we have it. Then connect these 2 points with a ruler. So you take a ruler and connect it. I can just use this tool here. And here we have a point which is our intersection here. Now take the compass. Why we are taking the compass? Well, we need to find all 4 centers. It's way easier just to take the compass and find where those centers are than to do the same operation all over again. So let us just find where those centers are lying. All right. So these are our centers, and then it's very straightforward. We take our compass, go here, and draw a semicircle. Reposition it here, another semicircle. Reposition it here, another semicircle, and reposition it here, another semicircle. We can erase extra parts that you see here, because you can do that on a piece of paper. You can even make those lines thinner just to be visible, and the ones that we need for our picture, you can make those bold, like thick lines. Let us continue with our 4th construction. Let us start by drawing a circle. So this will be our circle, the center of our circle, and we need to draw a circle. Because it wasn't saying that those 2 circles have, the small circle has half the radius of the big one, we can take any circle we want, but we want to do it like the small circle has half the diameter of the larger one. It's not necessary, but it will be better. Now we got our first circle. Let us take a random point on this circle, which is like here, and point this one here, and uh, draw 6 arcs, just like the previous exercises we did. You take this and draw, then you reposition it here, draw a circle. All right, we went a little bit off, so all right, reposition it again, draw another circle. I went a little bit off again, but never mind. Or let us erase it. We want to do it perfect. All right, reposition it again. Reposition it again. Maybe this one was a little bit off. I'll try to fix it. Look, maybe we didn't intersect this line here. So we didn't intersect this line here. Let's do it again here. And now it looks better. It looks way better now. So we have one final arc to construct here. We have it like at center here, and just move it. All right, we got one part of this circle, and the last one, this is the middle circle. I told you we can actually take any circle we want, any radius. Um, because I don't want to complicate it, I would just take a random circle here. Let us just take it like this. We will take a random circle. If you want, you can measure the radius to be half of the previous circle's radius. And now how we're going to do that? Well, if we want the picture to look the same as on your books, then we need to draw a line from here to here. All right, let us make it thin like this, because we need this point here. Why? Using that point we will construct another flower, six-sided flower like that. So see, like this. And then just to repeat everything as we just did before, uh, go around this and just repeat everything. Not this one here, bring it here, and construct it here, and here, and here, and finally the last one is here. So you can clearly see that it looks like on your book. um, because I'm using a software, it's a little bit more complicated. You can see at the end the 2 points did not meet each other, so that means at least on my last step I made some kind of mistake.